Opening Greet Plus intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about money, investing, financial freedom, and understanding how the economy is changing in simple language. And honestly, a lot of people today feel financially stuck. People are working hard, some are making more money than ever before, yet somehow it still feels difficult to get ahead. Groceries cost more, housing costs more, insurance costs more. Everything feels more expensive, and a lot of people are asking the same question. Why does it feel impossible to get ahead financially right now? Well, in today's video, we're going to talk about exactly that. We're breaking down why the middle class is struggling, what's changing in the economy, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself financially moving forward. Because understanding the game is the first step to winning it. So let's get into it. Hook. A lot of people thought making more money would solve everything, but today, even people with decent salaries are struggling financially. And honestly, that's shocking, because years ago, a middle-class income could afford a house, a car, vacations, savings, and a comfortable life. Today, for many people, even basic living feels stressful. So what changed? Section 1, everything got more expensive. The first reason the middle class feels crushed is simple. The cost of living exploded. Think about it. Food prices are higher, rent is higher, homes are more expensive, healthcare costs more, insurance costs more. Even everyday things people barely noticed years ago now feel expensive. And the frustrating part is, paychecks haven't increased fast enough to keep up with all these costs. So even if someone gets a raise, a lot of that extra money disappears immediately into higher bills. That's why many people feel like they're running harder, but staying in the same place financially. Section 2, lifestyle inflation is trapping people. Now here's something people don't talk about enough. Sometimes the problem isn't only inflation, it's lifestyle inflation too. As people make more money, they often spend more money. Bigger apartment, new car, more subscriptions, more eating out, more monthly payments, and slowly, people become trapped by their own lifestyle. A lot of people look wealthy online, but behind the scenes, they're stressed financially every month. And honestly, social media makes this even worse. People constantly compare themselves to unrealistic lifestyles. But real wealth usually looks quieter. It looks like investing consistently, avoiding unnecessary debt, and living below your means. Section 3, debt is quietly destroying financial freedom. Another major reason people feel financially stuck is debt. Credit cards, car payments, student loans, buy now, pay later apps. Debt has become normal, and the dangerous part is debt steals future income. The more monthly payments you have, the harder it becomes to build wealth. Because instead of your money going toward investments or savings, it goes toward interest payments. That's why financially successful people usually focus heavily on reducing bad debt, because freedom becomes very difficult when every paycheck already belongs to someone else. Section 4, the economy changed. Years ago, many people could work one stable job and support an entire family comfortably. Today, the economy works differently. Technology changed industries. Global competition increased. Housing became more expensive, and companies became more focused on efficiency. Now, many households need 2 incomes, side hustles, or extra work just to stay comfortable. That's why so many people feel exhausted financially. They're not lazy. The game itself became harder. Section 5, social media created fake financial expectations. One of the biggest problems today is that people are constantly seeing fake success online. Luxury cars, designer clothes, huge houses, get-rich-quick lifestyles. And after seeing that every day, normal life starts to feel like failure. But most real wealth isn't flashy. A lot of financially successful people invest quietly, avoid unnecessary spending, and focus on long-term freedom instead of short-term flexing. And honestly, learning to ignore fake internet lifestyles can save you a lot of money, because comparison is expensive. Section 6. So how do you escape financial stress? Now let's talk solutions. Because while the economy is difficult, you still have control over your financial future. The first step is increasing financial awareness. Start understanding where your money goes, how debt affects you, and how wealth is actually built. Focus on increasing your income. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe because on this channel we talk about money, investing, financial freedom, and understanding the economy in simple language. Thank you for watching.